Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device and complete the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time. After completing the basic tutorial levels, if you wish to change the language within your game, just expand the main menu from the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon. Now from this page, you will see the language option underneath settings. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the various different languages that are available for the Lords mobile game. Just tap on whichever language you wish to change into and then tap on the OK button, and this will restart the game, and the language that you just selected will be applied to the game right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and change your preferred language for your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.